Balikan nyo na lang yung kay Bearfield, nasagot na namin. Kobe Paras, may nagtanong pa rin. Ano daw ba? May update ka ba kay Kobe Paras?
Wala akong update kay Kobe. I don't know.
Okay, kay
He
Jamie
seems busy.
Malonzo.
Yun. Si
May
Jamie
update?
Malonzo,
Mm.
si Jamie Malonzo, tinawagan ko. Sa awa ng Diyos, hindi sumagot. So, hindi natin
Wala.
alam but kung ma-approve yung kasi nag-appeal si Will Navarro na ma-lift ng ban niya, di ba? Kasi galing siya ng Korea. Kung ma-approve yun, may malaking chance na maghingi din ng Hinebra ng lifting ban for Jamie Malonzo.
Okay.
Next,
Next. Question lang po, what would Gilas expect versus Brisbane Bullets for the tune-up game?
well, tune-up game kasi it's not really a win vein kung gaano ka gagaling.
Yeah.
So, I still believe na itong dalawang games, talo tayo dyan. Sorry to say.
Okay. Meron ka bang update sa Meralco Bots? May Meralco Bots fans ha?
Oh, wow! Ang update ko lang sa Meralco is tumataas na naman ang bill ng kuryente. My God.
Okay.
Pero yung basketball team nila, wala tayo dyan. They're just the same team. Wala silang mga
Alright.
addition, walang subtraction.
Alright. Boss Homer, Joshua Monson update? Tuloy ba yung TNT?
Yun din. Parang hindi nagustuhan ng Titan ang bumalik eh. They want more. I don't know what else they want. Pero
Okay.
medyo malabo na yan.
Alright. Yung iba pare-pareho lang yung tanong. Sir Homer, what can you say Hudson to Converge and King to SME mukhang sila favorite to win this conference?
I don't know. Na-announce na ba si Jalen Hudson? Kung si Jalen Hudson, magaling yan.
Oh,
Pero
may
akala
comment. Di
ko, kasi I was hoping na si DeAndre Burton eh. Magaling yun eh, si DeAndre Burton. So, well, okay din. George King, magaling yan sa Blackwater, averaging 38 points a game. And with a good local lineup, puputok yan. Puputok yan si George King. Problema lang ni
Alright.
George King, tamad sa depensa. Yun lang.
Arvin Tolentino, maglalaro ba sa Mags?
May nagbulong
Hindi.
sa akin, nandun daw sa practice eh. So I don't know. Tanungin ko nga yung agent niya. I'll circle back to you next Monday.
Alright. Last
May
question
live
na
show.
siguro.
Sige.
Last question. Sabi ni Enteng TV 1225, may trade po ba kay Robert Bolick sa Lex Ginebra kapalit si Stephen Holt?
No. Why would Ginebra agree to that? What can Bolick do to Ginebra? Right? I would not take Bolick. Do you? Ikaw pa, fans ka ni Bolick eh. Best friend mo yata yan eh.
Parang mas gusto ko si Bolick kaysa kay Stephen Holt ngayon ha.
Yeah, but you also take a bite out of your defense. Magaling ba magdepensa si Holt? Si Holt, si Bolick, magaling ba magdepensa?
Well,
I think I think, akin lang to ha, opinion lang to, huwag ka magalit. I think you can score 20 on Bolick kung siya magdepensa sa'yo pa.
hindi. I don't think pag Ginebra talaga it doesn't make sense kasi may RJ Barrientos ka na. So,
Yes.
yeah. May
Saka
hold ka na.
Cathy.
So,
Miss
yeah.
Cathy, Maynard Pinto. You don't need it.
But if you're starting a team,
Okay?
with Holt and Bolick, who would you start the team with?
I start with Bolick.
Yan. Something positive and we leave
Totoo
it at
naman
that.
eh.
Do not explain.
Totoo naman eh. I start with Bolick.
Yes, sir.
Again, nothing personal. Kaibigan ko yan si Robert. I used to message him a lot. Not really a lot, but infrequently.
All right. That's good. At least good ending na tayo. Thank you so much, Homer.